So what was the best part of today?
It was traveling. It was the bus we took around, or in and around Amish farms and fields, and it was the train we took in Strasberg out and back. So it was the travel. If I had to choose between the bus and the train, I would choose the bus because our Chris, our driver, did a wonderful job of telling us all about the area, about the people, about the culture, and his parents were raised Amish and converted to Mennonite when they left the Amish church, the Amish community. And so he knew first, second hand about the differences between Amish and Mennonite. And so, yeah, I really enjoyed that.
We went on the Strasberg Rail Road today. Strasberg Rail Road is the oldest continuously operated short line railroad in America. So the railroad now is operated by steam locomotives, and it goes from Strasberg to Paradise. And Paradise is a location where this short line railroad connects to the Amtrak line that runs from Philadelphia to Harrisburg. So the way the train works is the locomotive only points in one direction. The front of the locomotive always points towards Strasberg. So when you leave Strasberg and you go to Paradise, it's tender first, and when you come back, it's cowcatcher first. So we got to see Amish farms, and we got to go over bridges and past rail crossings where the lights flash and the people wave at the train and you wave back at the train. Holiday, this was her first experience with a steam locomotive. She'd never been around one, and so she learned all about how a steam locomotive works because Uncle Lorin told her, and the things that Uncle Lorin didn't remember he made up so that it sounded good. And she believed Uncle Lorin. I'll add, we went to the Choo Choo Barn, which is a model railroad in O gauge that has all kinds of fun diorama things in it. Is just completely fascinating stuff. And it was really important to Uncle Lorin to go to Choo Choo Barn. It's mostly illuminated for daytime, but I really like it when they dim the lights for looking like night, because when they dim the lights for looking like night is you see all kinds of things that you don't see when it's illuminated like it's daytime. But some of the features they have there is really cool. Is they have a house that starts to smoke, and then you see flames inside of it, and then next door there's the fire department, and you see a fire engine come out, and it comes around, and then you see a ladder go up and a firefighter go up the ladder, and you see a hose come out and actual real water squirts at the house, and it's pretty elaborate.